President Akufo-Addo has banned weddings, concerts and parties until further notice. In his 23rd address to the nation on measures the government is taking to curb the spread of the novel coronavirus, he said that private burials should not exceed 25 people. He also said the situation in the country is getting dire as daily infection rates moved from 200 to 700 cases. Listen in.
We should all understand that our current situation could get very dire if efforts are not made, both on the part of government and by you, the citizenry, to help contain the virus. The analysis continues to tell us that the spread of the virus mostly occurs in indoor confined spaces with poor ventilation, where people are talking, singing, or shouting without their masks. The imposition of restrictions on our daily routines helped in reducing the prevalence of the pandemic in the country. And government has been left with no option but to reintroduce some of these restrictions in order to help save the situation. I know these measures in the recent past were unpleasant, but over a period, they resulted in a favorable situation for the country. We have to return to them. So, fellow Ghanaians, until further notice, funerals, weddings, concerts, theatrical performances, and parties are banned. Private burials with no more than 25 people can take place, with the enforcement of the social distancing, hygiene, and mask-wearing protocols. Beaches, nightclubs, cinemas, and pubs continue to be shut. Our borders by land and sea remain closed. All workplaces, public and private, must employ a shift system for workers, in addition to the use of virtual platforms for business or work.
Well, we just heard the president there who suspended indefinitely events that command mass gatherings such as weddings, concerts and parties. But does this sit well with Event Vendors Association of Ghana? I'm joined by the president, Kate Hassan. Kate, you heard the president there, but you hold your own reservations.
Yes, I did. And from his last announcement 2 weeks ago, I knew it will come to that, but we didn't expect it to that level of total ban of events. We were thinking maybe numbers will be worked with and more restrictions will be given to us. But we had yesterday a total ban, which left us dumbfounded because we have events in the pipeline, and we know with the kind of event that we do, it's a chain. I mean, it's a value chain. It goes through a lot of process before an event is held.
How much are you losing out of it?
Millions. Imagine the kind of event that goes on. You know, we event A to Z, Monday back to back. There's always event, be it social, be it corporate. Event goes on, and this is, I mean, it has really hit us hard more than even last year because we least expected.
You know, last year we had interactions with some of the members and they have laid off workers, they've closed down their shops. Is there going to be a replay of this? Exactly.
We even started today because clients are calling us for refund and the whole thing is too it's hot for us, so we don't know what to do.
Okay, don't you feel that most of the members are shooting themselves in the foot because you visit event centers and most people are just not adhering to COVID-19 protocol?
You know, as event people, we tried our best. We are working with a lot of people, and to even go around, put your mask on, it wasn't easy. And as the association, we wrote a proposal to the ministries that they took some of the proposal and it was read by the president as protocols. So we told the GCA that we want to partner with them because we are on the field, we know our people, so that we can regulate the event that goes on, so that all the safety protocols will be adhered to. But we didn't get anything out of that, and it was like, we have the association, but we are a lot.
So now that this directive has come to force, what's going to be your next plan?
The next plan is we don't want any casualties, and what is already going on is too much. People are dying, and we are of great concern to that. But what we are pleading with is the government should look into it, because, I mean, breaths are taken from people's mouth and livelihood has come to a halt, and it's so disturbing to us. So if they can do something about it to regularize it for us to be able to start work.
Kate, let's just rope this one in shortly. Initially, you stated that most of your members were not beneficiaries of the stimulus package. What has been the update so far?
We've not gotten anything. We didn't get anything. Not that I know. None of my members got anything out of the stimulus.
We shall advance this conversation, Kate.
Sure,
Trust me on that. But we're so grateful that you joined us. She's with the Event Planners Association there.